staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause I still smell you in the bed you used to rest your head on. How the hell am I supposed to sleep? Can we both face our demons? Can we?
If I'm torn in two, would you take my hands with you, so you can carve me up some more, dole me out until your feet get sore, then take mine to make them new, so we can see this project through. Give my bones back to the land. I know my dad will understand. And take my love to all my friends. There's one in take my brother, half my heart. He's gonna need it to get to where you are. The other half might seem worse for it. Leave it for every girl who left her mark there. And take my eyes to my mom, she loved me since birth, so she might finally see her beauty and her worth. My oldest brother gets to keep my head, so he can remember the light that he's always had. In between mental scenes, unreserved, tell my sister she gets my muscle if she calls. She's always been the strongest of us all.
How did you find me? The silver lining. I was blinded blinded by the dark till you show me where to start. Wherever the wind blows, wherever your light goes, I will follow you around. I won't let the sun go down without you. Tell me you need me, tell me you care. Show me your weakness when life isn't fair. Oh, I was a sad, sad story until you let down your hair. So even if you lose your way, I will still be there. Water your garden and write your name in the stars. You can confide in me. Tell me your mysteries. I was a shell of a man who would swim with the tide, wash away with the sand. And at times there was no sign of relief, and I never understand why you rescue me. Tell me you need me, tell me you care. Show me your weakness when life isn't fair. Oh, I was a sad, sad story until you let down your hair. So even if you lose your way, tell me you need me, tell me you care. Show me your weakness when life isn't fair. Oh, I was a sad, sad story until you let down your hair. So even if you lose your way, even if we lose our way, I promise that'll never work. Don't try too long or you'll get hurt. I don't think that'll ever work. I've seen a lot of yous round here before. Just get used to me around. I did not bust in his bitch to sit down, sit down, sit down. And you still try not make it sound. Before my ideas got way too loud. So remind me why you're stupid. Remind me what I'm doing is not good enough to try today. Just might as well just fly away. Remind me who you are and deny what you saw in me inside. Stick out my neck. Not doing this for your respect. I promise that'll never work. Don't try too long or you'll get hurt. I don't think that